Yo, hello, what's good, everyone? Uh, Welcome to another one of my streams. So, yeah, I don't have anything specific planned right now. It's just gonna be just random experimentation, learning, etc. I'm just trying to become good at this Unity stuff, and C Sharp, because C Sharp is a pretty useful language, I guess. So, yeah, let's try to get learning, I guess. Alrighty, let me just check the stuff. Alright, cool. Alright, so I don't know where to get started. That's one thing. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. So, yeah. Let's see, what am I... Yeah, hopefully this actually works properly without crashing anything. Okay. Let's start looking up how to do something in this thing. Let's check the Unity API. Yeah, that should hold some... Oh, shut up, bro. Oh, I'm gonna see if I can turn the quality up a bit. I doubt it, though. Because it auto sets it to the quality, you know. It's not PC on internet's dog. Do something special, you can stuff it, bro. Right now I'm just here to learn. Not much else. Let's see, what's this BS? Welcome to Unity scripting reference. Let's pull this up here. Actually, wait. Pull this up here instead. There we go. Alright, so, what is this? Oh no. What was this to do here? Let's see what this is. And of course there's more. Classes vision utility. What is this? A class contains methods to assist with accessibility for users with different vision capabilities. Oh, is that like... Yeah, colorblindness. That's interesting. However, that is not what I need. I need to see... God, this quality is atrocious. Guys, is there any way I can put that up a bit? It's embarrassing, you know? Output. Yeah, not a chance. I guess quality is gonna stay like that for a bit. It is what it is, though. Unity editor. Interesting, yeah. Okay. Okay. Actually, let's try opening a script. Hopefully I'll remember how. Let's create a 3D object with cube. Actually make a surface. Why are you blue? Cool. The question is, how the hell do I size these? Like so. Oh, that is intuitive. I like it. Kind of. Yeah. Alright, order. Why am I looking at Unity? I don't know, man. It's just thought it'd be a good place to learn something. And I've kind of wanted to do Unity a bit too, since Roblox is a bit limited sometimes in certain aspects. So particles especially, I want to use particles here because these particles are just sex. So, but yeah, first I need to learn how to program in this. I need to learn C Sharp, but and everything like that. So yeah, let's see if I can create a folder called scripts. Insert a script here. I don't think this is how my organization should go, but you know, it is what it is. Part control. I'm gonna create another part. Q1. We just move this up a bit. Can I change the movement? G. No. Damn. How the hell do I do that? Don't crash on me, please. Oh, this uses DX11. That's surprising. Oh, asset store. Oops, let me do that. Alright, so that's cool. I don't want to move too fast though. Whatever. I'm just gonna make a basic block. And try to make it move a little bit, I guess, because like, I'm trying to make my own character movement. Question mark. It's probably not the best idea because it's already pre-made properly, but you know, I could do that. Jesus Christ, I can't move. Maybe because I'm selecting a part. I used to use my camera. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. Alright, so I also have to create a rigid body. Bruh, I forgot about that. There's way too much that goes into this type of stuff. Let's see. What do you mean like an animation? I don't understand what you're saying. Elaborate, please. Best way to look up how to program in Unity. It's the only thing you can look up. Oh, it's launching my Visual Studio. You should be using Visual Studio Code. Yes, it's not animations. It's your own movement system, I guess you could say. It's how you control the player. Do you know how in games you move forward and backwards, left, right, etc.? That's what I'm trying to make. Not animation, is just how it moves. Just that by itself is actually kind of like gay to make, unless you're given the system by itself. It's kind of stupid, but you know, I wanna experience it all. You know what I'm saying? Who dares? Is there anything else? Is there anything else? Friendly moderator. What a gay ass dude. Trudle. I'd seriously appreciate it if it opened. It's taking way too long. Oh, it's still loading. Raw. Let's read this BS. What happens? What language can you use in it? A script must be attached to a game object in a scene in order to call you to become Unity. Scripts are written in special language Unity can understand. Next to this language, we can talk to answer given instructions. Okay. Yeah, that's easy. However, though, if using Unity version 2017.3, knows that as a text editor called Mono Develop, it can help us complete our code. It'll let us know if we're rewriting a wrong piece of code and allow us to take shortcuts. Starting 2018.1, you can also use Visual Studio for Unity Comedy or other text editors such as Visual Studio, Notepad, or Sublime Text. Disgusting. His script with some sample code in it based on a coding Unity for absolute beginners to pro. Yeah, this is the initialization function. And this updates every frame, which is basically render stepped in Lua, Roblox type shit. So Yeah, this is just render step, and this is just the initialization, or like once the game starts. So you can just easily do console.writeLine. If the what the hell, if that even exists. I don't like how there's like, oh, there is, nice. Okay, I was wondering for a second. It didn't autocomplete my yeah, whatever. Indeed. Alright, so I wanna figure out how to do things now. These are variable. Oh my god, they are variables, functions, and classes. Yeah, this is a public class demo script. This is just literally just the script itself. It uses the Unity engine and system.collections. Cool. As you can see, they're variables, functions. Yeah, cool. What do these do? Variables. I know what these do. Classes. Yeah. Scripting is primarily comparing. Yeah, cool. Unity, these scripts start by laying out the tools that you need at the top, and this is usually by the click. Yeah, okay. Oh yeah, you can do this too. Yeah, I personally don't like how that looks, but it is what it is, though. Oh, I can do it inside that. Don't kind of. Oh, that's nice. At least I can do that. What giveaway, dumbass? What the? Bollocks. Yeah, okay, that works perfect. Oh, you're scabby lad. You owe me a PC. Under declaring values are several visibility types. The two most important ones are public and private. If you create a script with the above text in your code editor and then come back to Unity and assign the script to a game object, you'll see that you can access and see the live variable declared as public in the inspector. This is basically like attributes on Roblox, but you know, it is what it is. But like extremely condensed and amazing. Okay, if I make it public, it's accessible to other scripts and classes. It also can be changed from the inspector from the Unity editor. So that means that other people can access it and change its values. There are many reasons to choose between private and public. Private variables allow code to be clean. That is 100% true. Since you know that the values of the variables can be changed only inside that class, that makes debugging and maintaining code easier. I could not agree more with that. If you choose public and you experience an issue, you need to look inside your whole code base in order to track the source, because any other object has to access the variable. However, if you want objects to communicate between themselves, you need some variables or functions to be public. Another important aspect of variables is the type. A type defines what kind of value the value is the variable holding in memory. Example can be a number, text, or more complex types. That's not called that. It's called numbers, doubles, floats, a string, arrays, all that jazz. I believe they also have their own vector3 type. If you want objects to communicate between themselves, you need some variables or functions to be public. Another important aspect of variables is the type. A type defines what kind of value is the variable holding in memory. I just read that, didn't I? I'm retarded. Another important thing about variables is the name. The main thing you need to remember about naming variables is that it can't start with a number and it can't contain spaces. That I know. Start writing names in C# named the camel case. Screw camel case. I use normal case, bro. You start with lowercase and letter and add words without spaces, starting with capital letter. Example, my light. When you compile the script, it makes public variables visible in the editor. See the image below for them from the inspector. Okay, hold on. Alright, let's see if we can do something about it. We'll just save this real quick. Hopefully it says correctly. Ah, let's go, baby. Alright, cool. Invalid token in class struct. Raw. Let me check again how they did this then. Oh. Yeah, stupid on me. Cube. No. Is light a whole damn thing by itself? Oh. So, this literally should work. So if I just save all, it should pop up as light. Fascinating. Can I open my work studio bar? There you go. Default is only be placed in edit mode. Right. There we go, there it is. So let's say if I want to add a light. Light. Directional light. Point light. Ew. Alright. Cool. Oh, why are you so deep in the ground? Just put you on here instead. God. Gold, fam. Gold. Alright, so this is a point light. Damn it, it looks AIDS, but you know, we'll work with it. Let's make the range like a good old fixer. Color will change. I like this color real. This looks nice. Let's change it to a dark red or something like that. Real time mix. Yeah, cool. Baked. Raw. Real time and direct bounce shadows is not supported for spot and point lights. 20. Oh. Okay, so I could work with this a bit. So indirect multiplier, it's like, what does that do? No, I have no idea. Hard shadows. Oh, okay. Oh, how does particles work in this? Effects. Let's insert a particle system into the cube. AE. So it uses images just like OrbLX. Or BXL, whatever the hell. Yo, excuse me, bud. How big are you, though? Interesting. That's what it looks like currently. Let's see. How? Shape. What the hell? I don't understand what half these mean. Ah. Mesh. Sphere, I guess. Oh, so you can, yeah, this is directions. Hemisphere. We got the donut. Interesting. And the box. This is the default looking thing. Mesh render. I don't know what mesh render is. I'm not sure what this is. Apparently I can add meshes to this, but I'm not sure how. Whatever, dude. I'll destroy it for now. Cool. So that's how it works. Now what I'm interested in is this. How do I add a script to the cube? Add component. I'm assuming this is it. Ah, I see. Interesting. Should I try to update the point light to the cube or something? Maybe it'd also be a good idea if I insert a public class of my cube, huh? Public cube. What? What is this? Oh. Wait, what's the object called? It's literally just called the cube. Let's check this real quick. When Unity compiles the script and makes public variables visible. Yeah, cool. Scripts manipulate the variables by using functions. There are a number of functions that run automatically inside Unity. See below: awake, start, update, fix update, and late update. I'm not sure what these are. Awake is called only once when the game object with that component is instantiated. Oh, I get it. So literally, as soon as this script starts, like that object script starts, that's when it's called. If a game object is inactive, then it will not be called until it is made active. However, awake is called even if the game object is active but the component is not enabled. Okay, start like awake starts when will be called if a game what is in my face, man? If a game object is active, but only if the component is enabled. Right, yeah, the component is the script itself. Oh, fixed update is just heartbeat for Roblox, basically, raw. That's interesting. Late update is a function similar to update, but later is called at the end of every frame. That's render stepped, heartbeat, and stepped. Stepped, yeah. No, stepped is physics calculation. Whatever. When writing the function, remember the function start with the return type of the function. Oh, I like that. I like that function. I like the format. Followed by the name of the function and then the parameters in parentheses, if any. Function names start with a capital letter, and the body of the function goes between the curly brackets. Function, void my function. Okay, yeah. I need to actually. Hold on. Point light. Where are you? Yeah, I can probably change the position, hopefully. But I can't get the cube somehow. Let's try to private light enabled is equal to false. Okay, so is this how you do it? I'm not sure how to do it. If statements. My light dot enabled is equal to false. No, that's true. Interesting. Okay, I'm not sure what I'm doing at all, but it works. It works. Wait, no, it doesn't work. Invalid token in class struct or interface. Yo, listen. Is there a double equal operator, or is it just a single equal sign? I'm not 100% sure. Let's see if it asks. Invalid token. Yeah. Okay, so it's wrong. Wait, which line is it actually? 1126. Oh, I'm assuming it's here. Hold on. There we go. My stupid ass. Bool. Light enabled is equal to false. So if light enabled is equal to, yeah, let's change this. Enabled. Yeah, okay, that makes a lot more sense. Enabled. Alright, cool. Let's hope it actually doesn't mess up. If you know what I'm saying. Please remove the error. I'd appreciate it. Ah, let's go, baby. So technically, if I disable it, it should enable once I run the program. Now, please, how the hell do I disable it? L? How the hell, boy? Can I disable it somehow here? No, I cannot. I'm stupid, yo. I can just disable it here because why the hell not? So my light dot enabled is equal to false. Technically, it should work if my brain isn't completely like stupid. It should theoretically it should run with these and minimal suffering. Oh, it actually did work, I think. Is there a console? Yes, there is a console. Is there any errors? Yeah, let's go. I want to figure out, is there a way to print? No, that's what I want to know. So, I'm going to try console. Console dot right line. Hello. I'm wondering. Right, how to print? I'm gonna check real quick. How to print in Unity? Can't spell, but you know, who cares? Oh, it's debug.log, isn't it? Or not? Yes, you expected an error. Probably because I think I forgot a goddamn semicolon. Let me save this actually. I forgot to do that. Console does not exist in the current context. Yes, you're right, because of course it doesn't. So it'll be debug.log instead. Yeah, there we go. Debug.log. Hello world. Because why not? I don't like how there's like the error correction lines. That pisses me off. I forgot. How would you look at that? Keep forgetting it. Yeah, let's go. Alright, cool. So if it prints, then I definitely know that it checked and it was valid. Ah, Jesus Christ, it works. Okay. That's surprising. But guess what? It does absolutely nothing though. That's the fun part. It just means nothing. I can barely do anything with this. Therefore, I shall make my own lerping function, because why the hell not? Wait, I'm gonna check some. Time dot delta time. I like that. Okay. I'm gonna do debug. Wait, sleep. Is there sleep time? Yes. Is there a sleep function in Unity? How to make sure the wait sleep? You can tell Unity to call a function in the future. When you call the invoke function, you can pass the time to wait. Oh, that's like a delay. I mean, I guess. Yield. Wait for some. Oh, there's a yield script. There's a yield. Oh, nice, cool. Right there. So what if I yield? Dot wait for seconds. 3. Hopefully something like that exists. You know what I'm saying? Oh, you son of a dude! I shouldn't even have to use that. There's a coroutine thing. Ah, 9. Wait. Start. I don't like quarantines, man. Waiter. Okay, that's a whole function. Yeah. IE numerator, waiter. Transform to. Why not just print? Why not just debug.log the delta time right now? Because why not? Debug.log time.delta time. There we go. Do that instead, and don't forget the damn thing. So let me just save that real quick and pray to God. Pray to Jeeves. I don't see any errors yet. It's fascinating. Now delta time is the time passed between each frame, I believe. So it's been 0.002 seconds since the last frame has been rendered from when I called it. So that's cool. I read that. So that means I can definitely make a easy lerp function, which I will do exactly right now. Wait, do you make functions inside? No, you don't. Okay, good. I don't want to do that anyways. Let me pull this. I don't care. So if I do, I would do vector 3, vector 3, vector 3. Wait, why do I have this closed? I want to see chat, just in case. What the hell is this? The hell am I listening to? What was that? A few seconds ago. That's fascinating. Participants. Ooh, that's sad. Vector 3. Vector 3 lerp. A, B. And vector 3 A. Yeah, that better Wait, I can return though, yeah. Yes. Yes, return a vector 3 dot nu. Oh, oops. Imagine forgetting. Wait. How to create a vector 3 value in Unity. Vector 3 dot set. Because that exists. My point set. You just want. Oh yeah, okay, so that creates a new vector 3 component. So dot set. I guess. I'm not sure though. An object reference is required for a non-static field method or property. Huh. Technically, bro. Technically, I gave it float values. Hopefully, they're not doubles actually, but that's besides the point. But how sad is that, boy? How sad is that? And you forget the fucking shitty semicolon colon thing. Do. Of course, yes, because I'm stupid. Save all. So it can't be a float? What is vector 3 int? Vector 3 int Unity. I don't know what that means, but yeah, that's that. I'm gonna just remove that actually. I'm gonna change that to void and pray to God that it works. Spray and pray, basically. Spray and pray. Cool. Yo, there we go. Returns void. A return keyword must not be followed by an object expression. You son of a dun. Son of a dun gun. Yeah, let's just not do that for a second. Learn the basics first, if you know what I'm saying. Alright, let's see what this functions can do. Calculations return a value. You can ask a function to do something, process information, then return an answer. Then they are not returning anything. Let's see. Wait. All Unity types. The script is a class. Yes, it is. Yep. Public class. Oh shit. Vector 4? Since when the hell does that exist? I don't appreciate that. Yeah, I don't. Okay, what type of return type is that? Okay, dude. Okay, dude. Classes are collection of, yeah. Bear in mind that in the class name must match the file name of the C# script for it to work, and then to be attached to the game object. As a drain from another class called model behavior, which is automatically put there for when you first create a script. Classes can also be public or private. It'll see you have class that will parent inspector. Okay. Let's see. Serialized system.serializable. Public class. Data class. Public int my int and public float my float. Variables, functions, and classes are just basics to starting with coding usually. That was it. The hell? Okay, let's try this instead. I'm gonna try and do some basic movement. So is L F if input get key down let's see, the return does return get key down W. I'm gonna try W because why not? Actually no, I'm gonna try space first. So space, and then I'll just do things. I'll call a function void jump. Wait, that exists? Huh? Wait. Okay, whatever. And then I could do public light my light. Does that mean I can literally just... Okay, let's check it out. I wanna assign it first. I'm gonna assign my cube as cube1. Cube scene cube1. There you go, buddy. Right, cool. So I can easily just change the position. Hopefully. I need to add a rigid body too. What a luck. What a lucky thing, bro. How do you do that? Rigid body. Ah, there we go. Use gravity, interpolate. Cool. Collision detection. Aye. Yeah, how do you... can you add impulse to it? Oh, hey! Alright, cool. So, void jump. Let's see. My cube dot rigid body. How about velocity? Bruh. Debug dot log my cube dot rigid body dot velocity. I don't know. That's confusion. I'm gonna check real quick though. It's an info rigid body. I'm pretty sure I spelled it right. I don't care though. And I'm still praying. Object does not contain a definition for rigid body and no accessible extensions meant the balls. How to add a cube. Object does not contain a definition for velocity and has no acceptable definition for velocity. Accepting the first argument for type object. Platinum. Primitive type dot cube. Yeah, alright. So if I do public game object dot public game object cube is equal to game object dot create primitive type dot cube, and that's that, I guess. It should create a cube. I'm not sure how the hell that's supposed to work or why that works or the hell. Let me just comment that out. Well, yeah, apparently something's supposed to happen. Our instance field initializer. Call it in awake or start instead. Call from mono behavior part control. Ball. Alright, that's cool. Void awake. Thank you. I have to make it private immediately. Intéressant. Oh, you just started like looking mad ugly. Dunno why. Dunno why. What are you expecting, excuse me? Huh? Void awake. Suddenly you start. So debug.log. Okay. Public game object my cube. What? Oh, I could just do this instead. Public game object my cube, and then I could simply just do my cube is equal to create what the hell, game object dot create primitive primitive type dot cube, and that should be that. Technically. Huh. Can it be called outside of a public class? No, absolutely not. So what if I create my own class, I guess? Public class control. Yeah, that's not gonna work, is it? It has to go back in here. Why can't I call this now? That doesn't make sense. It don't make no sense, cuh. It don't make no sense. And that happens immediately. I don't like that. I'm not a very big fan. That doesn't actually mean I need to do that. What am I doing? I don't even need this. I don't think. Because technically I can access rigid body from now. So say if I use my cube dot rigid. Yeah, there we go. What am I talking about? Call velocity. Can I just call velocity by itself? Absolutely not. So let me try debug.log my cube dot rigid body dot velocity. What? Info. What the hell am I doing? The angler. The what? Huh. If it don't work, it don't work. That's no sign. Oops. I didn't even call yet. Save. Okay, I don't like how you're lagging and stuff. Oh, there we go. I know what you're doing, bro. And that happens immediately. I don't like that. I'm not a very big fan. Cool, you imported nice. Ah, let's go. Alright, bet. Cool. Can I run it? Play it loud. Wait, do I even have it assigned? Input key name space is not on. Huh? Well. File's been changed externally and has no unsaved changes inside of editor. Do you want to reload it? No. Wait. Oh, yes. Sure. W. Save to all. What input key names? Unity input key names. Oh, it's lowercase. Ugh. Alright, whatever, dude. So I'll just do space lowercase. Yeah. Sure work. Eventually. But I know why I want. I work the juice making triplet design now. Oh, there we go. So, say if I want to. Huh, raw. Yeah, that doesn't work. Let me try W instead. Wait, what the hell have I been doing in my life? I forgot to call jump. Of course it would be working if I hadn't have messed it up. What if... Ooh, that's interesting. What if it does what I'm thinking it does? Okay, yeah, okay. My cube of part control has not been assigned. You probably need... good idea. Ugh. Cube. Come on, bro. Don't be stingy. There you go. Let's start. There we go, baby. So it actually prints the velocity, which is kind of cool. Okay, now we just need to set the velocity. Ah, so it just gets component. My cube dot set component. Get component. Rigid body dot velocity is equal to vector 3 dot set. So I'm gonna do oh no, I forgot. What a wonderful experience. What a wonderful... Cannot convert double to float. I cut. System double is not defined as or imported. Yeah, bro. Course. Course, dude. Course. An object reference is yeah, cool. I'm gonna do that then. So I'm gonna just reference it here as private vector 3 velocity value. I will set velocity value dot set. I'll set it to 5. And I'll just set it here. Velocity value. I don't know how that worked, but it did. It did, bro. Wait, you know what? You know, there should be a rigid body on this. Oh, it is. Let's go. At least it worked, bro. At least it worked. private vector 3 movement increment, and I'll set it here to movement increment dot set. I'll do a solid 1, and I'll do it by delta time. Maybe that's not a good idea here. I'll just set it inside of the update function, and that should be multiplied by time dot delta time. And while holding W, oh, so how do you use it? Print the time for the time stop, blah blah blah. Yield return, you wait for 5 seconds. Alright, cool. I'll try that. So say start coroutine. Actually wait. Yeah, I'll do it here. So while holding W is equal to true, no, don't do that. So yeah, I'll start what am I talking about? So I'll do start coroutine. Move forward. Yeah. And so I'll just have to think about this a bit. Yeah, so I'll just have to yield. Where am I supposed to, actually, what was I gonna yield? Oh, in the while loop, yes. So I'll do my cube transform dot position is equal to my cube dot transform dot position plus we'll do movement increment. Alright, cool. So technically that should work, and I should also implement. Okay, so I'll still have to make another if statement. So if input dot get key up W, that's 2. So I'll just have to set holding W is equal to true, and holding W is equal to false. Cool. It's cannot convert double to float. Which position? Where? What? Okay, hold on. Private double wait time is equal to 0.1. That's not a double, is it? Wait, hold on. Real numbers, yeah. Yeah. Cannot convert double to float. Wait time. Hmm. I think around this. To hell with the weight. Nobody cares, bro. Nobody cares. Holding W. I'll just do move forward. That just should work. Oh, yeah, that's cool, but like, allow it. Oh yeah, that just crashed him, I think. Wait, did I do that type of thing again? Boom, boom. Discrete. You don't know. Got 'em. Yeah, that while loop is gonna help me quite a bit. So, what the hell? Holding W, holding W, holding W. I'm gonna remove this because this is never used. Alright. Yeah, that's just about it. Oh, I can't spell that. Damn it. Damn it. I bet I'm gonna be leaving the stream off air in a second because yeah, bro, I learned quite a bit actually. So yeah, if you guys did enjoy this, you know, do whatever you need to, subscribe, like, and all that jazz, and I'll see you guys whenever